Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I am playing Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced on my Xbox Series X with my MSI 32-inch 4K OLED monitor using balanced preset mode. In balanced mode, the game targets 40 frames per second on Xbox Series X with an internal resolution of around 1280p, which is then upscaled to 4K output. This mode gives a good mix of smoother gameplay and better visual quality. On this OLED monitor, the oceans, ships, lightning and the island environments look sharp and colorful. So let's jump into the pirate world and enjoy the gameplay together. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to support the channel.
The Padre's on that island. You're the one they call Padre.
I am. Welcome to our village, if you come in peace. Our lot is simple. Farmers, fishermen, and their families. You'll find prizes elsewhere.
You misunderstand me. I am told that you were once a fearsome master at arms. I need someone of your quality to keep my crew in line.
It has been some years since I was last on the account. That pirate is dead, and the world is better for it.
A man of your talents would find the limitations of religious life chafing, I would imagine. Don't you miss being free and the master of your own destiny?
As you're here already, could you let the people know the food is ready? It is in these small services to each other that we serve God.
You need time to think. Why not? This one is not going to be easy.
Now, who's that handsome devil?
My name's Edward Kenway, and I'm no devil today. Just a humble servant bringing word that the food is ready.
Edward, a pleasure. I'm Dinah Caverly. Now, my legs feel dreadful today. Could you be a dear and fetch me my plate?
Anything for the lady of the manor.
Oh, aren't you a charmer?
All done.
Not quite. That kind old lady has turned me into her errand boy.
Ah, Mistress Calvary. Be careful of that one. She'll have you running errands all day.
Thank you, young man. Now, where did you say you were from?
Wales, by way of Bristol, to which I intend to return.
And I pray that you do one day, so you might see again those you left behind. I've lived here most of my life, and it's the people who make it home.
Hello. The Padre says it's time to eat.
Thank you. We'll make our way over. How many men do you think he's killed?
And who might you be?
I'm Edward, a friend. The Padre sent me to tell you the food is ready.
Oh, wrapped up in pirate garb. You're not from Ducasse, are you?
Ducasse? I'm reliably informed he won't be bothering anyone again.
Met his end, did he? Well, I can't say I'm sorry. Don't tell the Padre I said that.
My people and I are thankful. And word is that you rid us of the threats from Ducasse.
Well, join me and you'll have the chance to rid the world of more of Ducasse's ilk. And get rich yourself along the way. Gold will help your people where good intentions cannot.
I have chosen my path. It's not gold that will save our souls.
I myself cannot make the same choice.
God has given me a second chance, and I will not squander it. But perhaps there is one more thing I can ask of you.
What is it?
There's a persistent rumor that what's left of Ducasse's men, 4 ships total, anchor nearby. I wish to know what they have planned.
I can see about these rogues. They're sure to have some reals that are not rightly theirs. Reef mage, douse topsails! Get them aloft and furling!
Let the anchor go!
Let's get going!
Lift our heads!
Haul down! Let's loft too!
Your fill, now we're both paying for it. Think they'll hand us our share when they return? Oh, didn't you read the letter? You think I will reel you in? Cut you up!
Pirates right each other. They've left for the Padre's village.
Ducas's men have already left for the Padre's village! Man your stations! Get us moving! Ease up! Let's save some for later.
What the hell happened here?
The Padre hasn't moved since we buried them.
I tried to offer this island for us. Hey, for us sinners, if I were there.
Now, and at the hour of our death. Amen.
Who did this?
This is my fault. Bishop Ravenscroft was the man who led me to God. He was like a father to me. He believed in me. It was he who entrusted me with the care of the people here. When trouble with the Protestants began at Kingston, he wanted more Catholics there. He called on us to join him, but I argued against it. With Ducas gone, I thought we were safe. We were only here because I disagreed with the bishop. It was them, Ducas's men. They made me watch. The Lord is merciful and just, but my heart is deceitfully wicked. I know vengeance belongs to God alone, but I cannot turn away from this. Ducas's men must pay for what they've done. Will you help me?
My offer still stands. Join me on the Jackdaw and we will hunt Ducas's men. We have a compound at Great Inagua. Your people will be safe there.
I will join you as Master at Arms. And when the time comes, I will avenge my people.
Lads, this is our new Master at Arms. He calls himself Padre, but I advise you to call him Sir if you don't want your heads knocked together.
You know the job. As your Master at Arms, I require 3 things from each of you. Loyalty, discipline, and courage. Display them, and I will have you doubling man-o'-wars, twice our size, and holds to match. You have a sturdy vessel. I'll teach the crew some new maneuvers.
What did you have in mind?
Work the sails and rigging perfect.
I like